So I've got my smart bird feeder here. I want to show you everything that it comes with. I'm going to go ahead and install this on a tree in the back of my yard, and then we are going to show you also some video that we're going to capture as the birds fly up to this little house and eat some of the food that I've placed in here. So it does come with a 4K camera right here. This is mounted on this bracket that's going to, of course, attach to the bird feeder itself. Now this camera is 4K. We've got a sensor here and also the camera, and it has a light up there. On the back side, we do have a speaker. And on the bottom side, this is where you can, there's two ways you can charge this. One, you can use the 7-watt solar panel here. It does have a Type-C connector. It's going to go ahead and connect right in through here. Or if you want, if you don't want to use the solar panel, you can go ahead and charge this up too. And it also takes a micro SD card to go ahead and save those memories. Now the bird feeder itself, it holds quite a bit of food. You just take the top off, you're going to pour it down here. Of course, the food's going to come out through here, and it also has drain holes too. So if it's raining, the water's not going to stay in there. We have a couple little fruit spikes, so you can put some different type of fruit on there, maybe apple, oranges, and we have a little bowl here for the water too. So the birds are going to, of course, land right here, eat here, and the camera's going to slide in right here. The birdhouse is built really nice here. You can see here, it's really just nice, thick ABS plastic. This does come with everything that you need. We've got an additional, we've got a power cord. This is going to go on back of the solar panel. And then we have all the hardware to go ahead and install it too. I've got everything all connected. I've got the house, the birdhouse mounted to my tree. I've got my solar panel pointed towards the sun. And now all I have to do is take the top off and put in some food. This app is pretty cool. Within an hour of actually putting my birdhouse out there, it was already capturing birds coming to the feeder and feeding. You can easily see them. It's nice and clear, sharp, 4K. And if you look at my app down here, I've got several different videos that's already captured. I was surprised that so many of them were already drawn to the birdhouse, the bird feeder to capture everything, but it's pretty cool that I can see that, and it notifies me right away, which is fantastic. Overall, I'm very happy with it and glad to put it out there in my yard to capture all this wildlife.